So hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we have talked about how to create a YouTube channel, and in this video we will customize our channel. So let's go to your channel and press the button of customize in channel. And here you can see, so let's fill out the basic detail first, like basic info. Your name you have already selected, you have choose your handle, you have to write your description over here, and you can add your language. A channel URL has been given. You can put links like your socials, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, any social link you can put here, and you can put your email address over here. So let's fill these details, guys. I'll see you in the next video.